I keep telling myself to make a video explaining what happened, but I don't know, it just didn't happen. But here I am, finally doing it. I honestly don't know why I haven't mentioned it sooner. I mean, I kinda did with the Freaky Friday video. On April 1st, April Fool's Day / Easter, I was at Thomas's house when I got a call from my mom.
Hey, the house is burning down. Okay, well, I have to go film it. Bye.
So since it was April Fool's, I was just like, okay, it's an April Fool's joke. But then she sends me this video of firefighters breaking into our roof. So yeah, my house burnt on April Fool's Day, Easter. I know what you might be thinking, and that is there's really no burn damage. And that's because the fire was in the attic. But when the firefighters put it out, the hose was so strong, it knocked out this part of the wall up here, made this big hole above my TARDIS door, it knocked down the ceiling in my room, it knocked down this ceiling right here. So yeah, and the floor is water damaged from all the rain that's been pouring in. You might remember a few months ago, there was a fire in our kitchen. Which was interesting, and I was thinking, wow, this is the closest I'm ever going to get to a house fire. I think this is closer. But, yeah. Well, since this has happened, I've been staying with Thomas, and I can't thank them enough. I feel like a burden at their house, but they don't seem to mind, I don't think. They're great, all of them. I don't know when they're going to start repairing the house. The insurance threw away so much of our stuff, claiming that it was smoke damaged. So, once the house is fixed, we're basically gonna have to start over. I don't know. It just feels weird seeing this place so empty. I've literally been here my whole life. I know it looks like I had fun tearing down these walls, which I did, but at the same time it was kind of hard. Like, as I was tearing down that wall over there, all I could think about is all the things I filmed in front of that wall. I love this house so much, so it's really hard to see it go. Like, it's gonna be repaired and stuff with new walls and everything, but it just won't be the same, if that makes sense. Like, it's gonna be the same rooms and everything, none of the... It's basically gonna look the same. It's just, it's not the same walls I've grown up with. This sounds stupid. This whole kitchen's gonna be replaced too. The cabinets and everything. I don't know, I'm just stupid. I just thought I should explain what's going on and everything. Since if you follow me on Facebook or Snapchat or anything, you know what's happened because I've talked about it there. So I just thought it's about time I talk about it here, YouTube. I honestly don't know how to close off this video, so I'm just gonna end it with a bunch of more me tearing things up. Don't hit the grass. It's not gonna break on me.
What about it?
In the corner.
Yeah, he looks pretty fucked up, man. It looks like he got a hold of some of that acid and some of them bath salts and just went crazy up in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I don't know. Never mind. That nigga looks like he has some problems. A lot of issues and not enough tissues, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I would like 3 hamburger pizzas with 2 cheese pizzas with some mozzarella sticks and some barbecue wings. A large Dr. Pepper, a large Sprite, and another large Dr. Pepper. Would you guys like anything?
So when we really play, you don't hear me when I say, Mom, please wake up. And your son is smoking cannabis. No one ever listens. It's wallpaper glitches. Getting you places. So on you.
Hey, ma'am. Can this lightsaber double as an anal probe?
Hello. Oh, hi, Mrs. Lewis. Oh,